everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm Sayantan, and in this particular vlog I will be traveling from Kolkata to Digha. It's almost 182 kilometers far from Kolkata. So currently I'm standing in Digha. I will not be able to show you, it's night time. I'm standing in all the sand and all. So if you want to know the complete story, let's go back.
Good morning. So we are traveling from Kolkata to Digha today, and the travel time is 3 hours 30 minutes. 3 hours 30 minutes. Not only me and my brother, both we are traveling from Kolkata to Digha, and the distance is 182 kilometers. Let's see.
So it is 6:15 and officially we are leaving right now, and bike is all set. So this is the bike I'll be using, or we will be using for this journey. So this is me, Sayantan and Doipayol. We are officially leaving. Time is 6:15 and first half he will be driving, second half I will be driving. Excited?
Yeah, very much
excited, but he is a little bit less of energy because he came very late yesterday from office. So we have officially left, and we will go through the Mumbai Kolkata highway. So let's see, we have to follow the maps. We know a little bit where to go, but definitely we have to follow the maps. গাড়ি আছে অনেক দেরি করে ফেলেছি। ঠিক আছে, প্রথমবার তো আইডিয়া নেই। Hey, hi friends. So as of now we have completed around 60, how many kilometers we have completed? 63 kilometers. We are somewhere near Bagnan, and we thought of taking some tea break. It was very much required break because we are not that much habituated of long rides and all. So I'm having tea. See, this is what you will get in West Bengal. The cup is made of clay, and the tea will be very more tasty if you are having tea in this clay pot. It's 8 o'clock, and we took a break around for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So now he was maintaining a very good average speed in 1 hour. Less than 1 hour we have completed 60 kilometer, and now 120 kilometer more left. I will be driving, so that's why they have changed the helmet also. 40 kilometer more left, and the time is 9:25. So we are maintaining a good speed. We took 2 breaks and see the scenery. This is what you will get in West Bengal. It's looking like somebody has increased the saturation of the photos and all. All greeneries. Hi. So almost 20 kilometer or 25 kilometers late. Huh?
Suborno Digha jayega.
Oh, the place name is Suborno Digha. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it's almost 20 kilometer or 25 kilometers away, and we thought we will change it because this bike is absolutely a perfect bike, but only problem is this bike is absolutely very nice bike. The performance it is giving, it is very good, but for the pillion rider it's a bit problem. Means if you are riding continuously for more than 50 kilometers, then it's the back is getting hurt. So that's why we are continuously changing the position. Sometime he is driving, sometime I am driving, and look at the view. Look at the view. See. So finally we have reached our destination. We are in Digha, and I'll show you the view and all these things. I'll show you. This is the room we got. This is the view from the hotel. So that's the sea. That's Bay of Bengal. I'll show you later because we'll be going there only. So the price we got a little on a higher side because AC rooms everywhere it was telling like 3,000 rupees, 2,500 rupees, but we got it in 1,900 rupees, and the quality of the room is okay, very good. Means it's hygienic. The quality of the room is hygienic. So that is what I was looking for. So done with our lunch, and also we went to see. We were there for 2 hours or something, and it was a great fun. Like spending time in the sea. It was not that much crowded also, so we enjoyed a lot. But the only problem is the heat. It was very hot outside. Thankfully, it's not hot over here, but it's hot, very hot outside. So we left home around 5 o'clock, and we are pretty tired. Now again we will go outside definitely in the evening, but as of now we'll take rest. Bye bye. Helmet lagbe na. So it's evening 5 o'clock and we are going out. I'm feeling a bit hungry. Not only me,
my brother both are feeling hungry because we had our lunch around 1 o'clock, and after then, nah, chin. After having lunch, we took bath in the sea. So now we'll have some food and then we'll see.
So hope you have liked the story. This we are just chilling out. Currently it is 9 o'clock. So this was my first journey. It was my dream to do a long journey on bike. Now I don't have a powerful bike. I have only an Activa. So it's very tough to do a long ride in Activa. But my brother is having FZ, so we thought like, okay. Even last year when I came to Kolkata, I made a vlog about Kolkata. That time also we thought like we'll go, but somehow it didn't happen. The most important thing is like after completing the journey, it was like 182 kilometer. After completing the journey, we were not feeling that much tired. This place is so nice, so many things to buy, but I have become a very spoiled kid of Bangalore. Means I'm not been able to tolerate the heat. It's not heat, it's the humidity, but still there is no humidity at all in Bangalore, and that's why it's very hard for me to tolerate this. Even I'm just roaming around outside evening time, but then also I'm all sweaty inside. Bangalore. So we are back to the hotel, and believe me, I am so relieved. So, awesome. So I'll give you a room tour. This is the entry door, and here's the bathroom. Then this is the TV, and here we have one balcony. So this is one balcony with a very nice, see this color, with a very nice color, and there's the market. That is the market part, and you can see this way it is going. This way it is going towards the sea beach. Nice. And there is one more balcony over here. This is first balcony. There is a second balcony over here. Here also you will see this magical blue color. So this is almost the end of the day. We'll have dinner and we'll sleep. We'll see you tomorrow morning, because tomorrow is going to be a very tough day. We have to travel back to Kolkata. So it's a mental journey. It's not a physical journey, because already we have completed the physical journey, and we know it's not that much tough to complete 182 kilometer, because we both are driving. We are sharing 60 kilometer like that, and we are driving. Thank you so much. See you in the morning.
Good morning, friends. So we all set to leave Digha. This was the hotel we were staying. It's Seabird. Yeah, it's Seabird, a decent hotel, and the rooms are clean. So that is the important thing. The rooms are very clean, and this is the view. So it's 5:30. I think for checkout it will take another 10-15 minutes. So by 6 o'clock we will be able to leave properly from Digha, and our arrival time in Kolkata will be at around 10 o'clock, because we'll be taking break, and we got a good sleep, very good sleep.